symbolic cannibalism. When I was a child, my grandmother used to tell me the story. There's a tribe, they live on the highland. Of course, they only have grass, they don't have produce, so during the winter time, they're out of food. And they look out there, oh my God, look a big land, the green land, they have field, they have rice, they have wheat, they have the animals. So let's go rob them. So there is a leader called Wan, there's another leader called Tom, Wan Tom. So the local people hated them. They will use this form of curse. Chinese always put their wishes into the action. So they make the wonton, which is the jiaozi, the dumpling. So wish to eat them up, so they will never come to bother them again. Alright. So as a child, I always feel frightened. So I'm gonna show you how to make the dumpling. During the Han Dynasty, and the common people will go to the temple to pray to their ancestor, and afterwards, they will make dumplings, make jiaozi. And they will have a jiaozi with their family to spend time during the New Year Eve. Happy Chinese New Year again. As last time I talked about wonton, is this thicker one, is the bigger one. That actually is the jiaozi, is the dumpling. Alright, let's make a filling first. Normally, many people probably will choose cabbage as the filling, but it's a mild taste, so it's better for fried dumpling. But if it boils, you need a stronger taste. So I choose Chinese chives, which is very aromatic in Chinese medicine, supposed to help you produce more blood. I use half bleached all-purpose flour mixed with half high gluten special jiaozi flour. I use 1 cup warm water, mix 1 teaspoon salt, knead the dough, you set 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, come back kneading the dough again, then you let it sit for overnight. When I lived in London, I didn't have this wood stick, so I would use a cup. See, the skin is on the outside is thinner, inside is thicker. So you put it filling in, fold over. There are two ways to do it. One is just directly push in. The other side, like this, and squeeze. Then there's the other way to do it, which is probably for children, would be much easier this way if you want to teach them. Fold over, just seal all sides, seal all the side, so they like a half moon. So you can just leave like that if you want. This is fine, but you can also make a pattern, like fold over with equal distance. So then you squeeze them so they become like this. Like that. This is citron pepper. This is very special spice. It make the sudden gel sauce give you a tingling sensation. Now in the store you can just buy the package, or you can just make your own powder, put into the sauce. You let the water boil, then put your jiaozi in. Then you need to boil 3 times. Then you put the cold water in to shrink it. So then you cool down. So you let it boil again. So for 3 times, so that means it's done. So it's cooked. It's the time measurement. Also, air will not pop too much and break the skin. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Thank you for watching.